hello.
This morning. Anyway, we're trying to come up with a hook, you know.
Hope you enjoyed the opening video that Logan did. We're not sure quite yet what it is.
Yeah, he hasn't decided at this point in time, although you know because you just watched it, I hope. Anyway, we're Brent and Amy Powell. We do a weekly update on the real estate market here in the North Olympic Peninsula, mainly...
Gold.
Mainly Sequim and Port Angeles and the surrounding areas.
That's right.
Who do we work for? We
work for a real estate company out of Sequim, BrokersGroup, real estate professionals.
Yeah.
And
it's a great group. It's independent. We're not associated with any national organization, so I like that. People are wonderful that we work with.
We have 2 dogs. One's ours, the blonde one is Logan's, and the black one is ours.
Yeah.
And
they're half siblings.
They will entertain you, maybe.
Yeah. So every week, if you watch all the time, we'd love to have you hit the subscribe button and the like button and any other button that you see in there.
Once we hit 700, we're going to have a little reward program.
Yeah, we have a giveaway where everybody guesses a number between 1 and 1,000, and have we decided we're going to do a picture, a watercolor?
I think so.
Okay. So we have been doing, Logan has little leather creations that everybody likes a lot. So we're going to change it up this time a little bit. And Amy is a watercolor artist, and we'll offer one of her watercolors to the winner. So whoever gets the closest to the number that we draw out of the hat live on air. Okay, enough of that. So, you want to tell them how this works?
Okay, we start with homes in Port Angeles because we're alphabetical here. And we'll go from the least expensive to the most expensive and then go on to Sequim.
Yeah, okay.
First house is on Harbor Crest Place. Originally listed for $375,000, it sold for $365,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 16 days on the market. Built in 1975, it looks like a 75 house, with 2,036 square feet on 0.63 of an acre and a mountain view.
Okay, the next one is on South Cedar Street. That's what we call in between the bridges. Port Angeles is built on kind of an area that has a lot of little creeks that go down to the ocean, and every place there's a creek, there's a bridge. And so this is originally priced for $435,000 and sold for $395,000. Has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 28 days on the market, built in 1951 with 1,235 square feet and 0.16 of an acre with mountain view.
All right, moving on to West 5th Street. This was kind of cute. Originally priced at $424,900. It sold for $410,000. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 42 days on the market, built in 1927 with 1,180 square feet on 0.19 of an acre and a saltwater view.
Okay. Next one, 4th house in Port Angeles, is on South G Street.
Do you remember we showed that one?
No. Which one is this?
To Neil.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes, I remember that one. Anyway, cute little place. Originally priced at $449,000, sold for $415,000. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1 half bath, 117 days on the market. That's a while. Built in 1961 with 1,811 square feet, 0.32 of an acre, and it has a neighborhood view. It's kind of a mid-century modern, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really kind of cool.
Yeah.
It had potential.
Yeah, need a little updating, but besides that, nice place.
Okay, the next one's on East 3rd Street, listed for $529,000. It sold for $480,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 123 days on the market, kind of a longer stint there. Built in 1941 with 2,114 square feet on 1/5 of an acre and a mountain view. That reminds me of the house I grew up in.
Oh, yeah, upstairs. Okay, Alderview Drive. Do you know where that one is?
No.
We don't. Okay, originally priced for $900,000, sold for $823,321. creative price there. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 half bath, 29 days on the market, built in 1996. Good sized place with 3,126 square feet on a little bit over 5 acres and territorial view.
Okay, and the last one in Port Angeles is on South Old Mill Road, which is up in the mountains. Listed for originally for $989,000. It's sold for $950,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 64 days on the market. Built in 1998 with 2,250 square feet on 5.38 acres, and it had a saltwater view.
Yeah, so just looking at the houses that have closed in Port Angeles in the last 7 days, where the trends are more days on the market, from actually quite a bit more. And
only one house in the whole 16 of them was over asking.
Over asking, yeah. So that last one was 49,000 under asking, and then 76,000 under asking, 49, 34, 14, 10, 40. And generally what that means is that the market is becoming a little bit more toward a buyer's market. And, a couple of years ago, if your house stayed on the market more than a week, everybody wondered, well, what's wrong with that house? So now homes are staying on the market a little longer, and people are a little too optimistic in what their home is going to sell for. So let's see what Sequim looks like.
Sequim, this first one's a condo, townhouse, on Hilltop Drive, which is in for, I never remember that.
Hilltop Drive?
No, where is that?
I don't
Anyway, listed for $410,000. It sold for $371,500. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 79 days on the market. Built in 1977 with 1,701 square feet and a saltwater view.
Okay, moving on to Golden Sands. And originally priced at $385,000, sold for $373,000. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 132 days on the market. Built in 1984 with 1,368 square feet and half an acre with territorial view.
And that one's a manufactured.
Yeah, manufactured. So
it's way out in the point.
the
grabs.
plateau.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, moving along to Hemlock Street, West Hemlock Street in Sequim. Originally listed for $359,000, it sold over asking for $378,000. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 4 days on the market. Built in 1971 with 960 square feet on 0.22 of an acre and a mountain view. That must have been, it sold really fast.
Yeah.
I wonder what the deal was.
Huh.
Maybe it was priced
Must
below
have been.
market at the beginning.
Yeah. Yeah. So generally on pricing, as you know, the market sets the price. You can ask anything you want, but
Well, the sales price
sets
the market.
sets the price that it's going to sell for,
Yeah.
because you can ask $3 million, but if you don't get any offers, then that's not the value. So we recommend, if you can, and it's hard for sellers to do this, to price your home at or below what your realtor says the market is. See, that's important to remember, that your realtor is probably the expert when it comes between you and her or him or them, as in our
And
case.
to think of it more as bait.
Yeah.
So you want to get more people into your home so they fall in love with it and want it really bad.
Yeah, buyers know where the market is because they're looking all of the time, and they're going to buy the nicest place for the least amount of money.
Yeah.
Okay, moving right along, this next one is on Sequim Road, and originally priced at $450,000, sold for $435,750. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 half bath. 6 days on the market, built in 1970, with 1,950 square feet and exactly half an acre. And they have mountain view.
The next one is on Wanita Court. Originally listed for $475,000. It sold for $470,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 9 days on the market. Boy, very similar to this other one. Built in 1994 with 1,244 square feet on a half acre exactly, and it had a mountain view.
Okay.
4 more,
Bogey.
guys.
We got a bogey at 3 o'clock. Or is it bogey? I don't know.
Boogie.
Boogie?
Boger.
Sorry. We're simple rural folks, you know. We're from the
It's
country.
words. It's words. We play with
I
words.
got my farmer hat on today, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, this is on Bogey Lane. Originally priced for $575,000, sold for $540,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 45 days on the market. Built in 1994 with 1,788 square feet on just a little bit under 1 acre with mountain view.
And the next house in Sequim is on Prader Place. Listed for $575,000. It ended up selling for $559,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 95 days on the market. Built in 1998 with 1,669 square feet on a quarter of an acre and a mountain view.
You know, we could turn this into a song.
Go for it.
No. New Meadows Loop. Originally priced for $655,000, sold for $650,000. A rap song, you do that too. If you, I knew how to do that.
I don't know.
3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Rhyme.
What?
It has to rhyme.
I know. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 27 days on the market. Built in 2004 with 1,894 square feet, with 0.28 of an acre on and has a mountain view.
Okay, we're
bring
gonna
it
go
home,
to
honey.
Kathy Court. Kathy Court. Listed for.
We haven't been drinking, really.
No, it's
we're
Diet
just-
Pepsi.
Yeah.
749,950. It sold for $740. The beds were 3. The baths were 2. Days on market 17. I'm trying.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
Okay, a rap? No.
Built in 2016 with 2,039 square feet, 1.5 acres, and the view must have a little bit of a peekaboo because it says "See remarks."
Yeah.
The end.
The end. So how many subscribers do we have now?
It was 677, I think.
Yeah. So we're pretty close to getting up to 700, and we'll go from there. Anything coming up here in the local? There's a basketball tournament in town, and my niece, who I see about every 5 or 10 years, is here visiting with her family from Portland. And so I don't think they watch
We have
this.
Veterans Day.
Veterans Day
Is when you'll be seeing this.
on
show.
Monday. So hooray to the veterans. We've got a couple of veterans in our family.
Yeah.
And anything else? What else? Anything coming
Thanksgiving's coming up.
up? Thanksgiving coming up, yeah. So.
And then Christmas, and holy cow, who's ready?
Yeah, it's the gauntlet. You know, if you survive the gauntlet without spending way
Thousands
more
and
much money than you
thousands.
wanted to, good luck on that one. So have a great day. Good week. We'll see you next week.
Ta.